Do you have too much time on your hands? Then you should consider trying a new skill, like animation. Hey, Patrick here, the expat animator. Welcome to my new studio. I will be animating my new projects right from this desk here behind me. We've been working on the studio for a few weeks now, and I'm excited to finally have it completed. One of the hardest parts of animation, in my opinion, is finding time to work on your projects. That's why I recommend working on shorts to build up your skills. If you are already into animation, then you know how much time it takes to make one. But if you find yourself with too much time in your hands and are looking for something to do, then animation might be a good hobby for you, especially if you like to draw. If you don't know how to draw, learning to draw can help you fill your time as well. But if you already know how to draw and are looking for a new skill, animation might be a fun challenge for you. Even if you don't know how to draw, you can still create fun, hand-drawn animations. Anyone can draw a circle, right? Then you could draw a bouncing ball. You can use these same animation techniques to animate other things as well. There are some pretty cool software options out there right now that can help you create animations too. I'm thinking of apps like Loom. Yes, that's spelled with 3 O's. Loom is cheap at only $9.99 and will help you animate looping animations like these with little to no drawing skills required. Or maybe you just want to add some animation to your text. If you can trace, then you can add a squiggle effect to your text. Remember, not everything in animation needs to look like a Disney film. There is no rule that says you have to animate everything in the frame. So what about adding some animation to your videos? You might think that's cheating. I used to think that too. But look at films like Roger Rabbit or Space Jam. There is no way I would call the hard work that went into those films cheating. So if you're bored and looking for something to do that is fun, creative, and gives you an end result that you can easily share, then you should give animation a try. Plus, it will make the time fly by. Trust me, you will soon be wishing there were more hours in the day. If you're looking to get into animation, I have some classes over at Skillshare that can help you get started. Most of my classes only require an app called Rough Animator, which is only $5. So grab a pencil or a stylus and start animating something today. Thanks for listening. This has been Patrick, the expat animator. See you next time.